Hey everyone, this is Vitasta and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know for a fact that we all want a healthy glowing skin and just wake up in the morning and look in the mirror and just be like, but good skin comes with a little bit of discipline, and that's why skincare routines exist. If you start taking care of your skin from an early age, you will thank yourself when you get older, trust me. Now some of you will be like,
You know what? We don't have time for like a 15-step skincare routine. We are so tired all the time and we can't do more skincare, blah blah blah.
trust me, I was just like that, but I cannot begin to tell you how those 10 minutes that you give to your skin before sleeping can get you a healthy and glowing skin the next morning, and in fact every single morning. I don't care how tired I am or how late I finish my stuff and go back to bed. I never miss my skincare routine, and there are 5 things that I do every night before I go to sleep. This is the oldest tip in the book, but also very important. Leaving your makeup overnight can clog your skin pores and can lead to breakouts and zits, and people who have acne prone skin should never leave their makeup on before sleeping. In fact, nobody should, whatever your skin type is. And throughout the day, makeup also mixes with pollutants and dirts and contaminants and can trap it, and when you sleep with it, imagine all that dirt and filth on your face. I can't. Also, I don't know who does that, but if you sleep with makeup frequently, I have a bad news for you. Your skin is gonna age really faster. This green tea face wash from Plum has organic green tea, which is so great for acne prone skin. It also has glycolic acid and natural cellulose beads that leave your skin hydrated and clean and fresh. A skin toner is probably the most crucial part of your skincare routine. It shrinks your skin pores and tighten your cell gaps that can enlarge after cleansing, so it doesn't let all the impurities and contaminants in the environment to enter your skin, so it acts like a protective layer. Also, your skin loses your pH balance when you wash it with an alkaline face wash. To balance it back to its original position, toner can help you do that very fast, and it prevents your skin from generating too much oil in that process. This green tea toner from Plum is totally alcohol free, that's why it's very gentle, but it's also very effective. The whole green tea range of Plum is suitable for oily and acne prone skin, and they're 100% vegan and cruelty free, and I love that for me. I cannot put enough stress on moisturizing your skin no matter what your skin type is. Even if your skin is oily, moisturizer is a must. Moisturizer retains your skin's moisture levels throughout the night and allows it to repair and renew itself, because night time is the time when your whole body is resting and rejuvenating. That's why you need a moisturizer for your face, especially at night. Now this green tea night gel from Plum is perfect for oily skin. It's very light in texture and is totally non-sticky and pillow proof, and it doesn't feel like heavy moisturizer on your face, you know what I mean? So it actually hydrates your skin in the perfect way without it looking very dull and chip. Now I've already told you how great green tea is for acne prone skin, but it also has licorice, which is a great skin brightening agent, and it also has willow bark, which is great for skin clarifying. Massaging helps absorb the product very well in your skin. Always do it in the upward circular motion. Massaging your skin actually improves the blood circulation around that area. Don't be too harsh on your skin, just do it very gently. Now the 5th and the last step is keep your phone away from your face. I hate to say it, but the radiations from your phone can actually make your skin look dull and have dark spots, and it also leads to aging. So do yourself a favor, please keep your phone away from your face. Just put on some music and go to sleep instead of scrolling through social media. So these were the 5 things that you gotta do before you go to bed so that you wake up with a healthy, glowing skin. I'll be leaving the product links in the description below so you can check them out if you want to. I hope this video helps you, and if it does, then don't forget to leave a like and a little comment. I wish you all a healthy and clear skin. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.